Well, hi guys. My name is Arnold Koda, and today you're going to learn about a science project. It's called the Balancing Forks. And I hope you encourage yourself to pause this video and try to think about, what is going to happen in this? So I hope you do that. Well, I guess you're done. So you need these things to accomplish this project. You need a salt shaker. And then you need 2 toothpicks. But the toothpick must, and I say again, must have 2 sides that are sharp. Not the one that has one side, 2 sides. And both of them. So yeah. And the last thing, 2 forks. I bet you have done that by now because it says forks. But yeah, forks. So yeah. So today we're going to start with the salt shaker first. And this one's broken, but I would usually put a bigger piece. But yeah. So this must be placed in the middle. I hope you have a salt shaker like this. So then this must be placed in the middle. The toothpick. So make it straight like this. It should be like this, like a narwhal. One horn, like that. So then we're gonna wait for this toothpick to be used. Oh, it's gonna be used, but yeah. So now here comes the tricky part. I hope you listen well, okay? So there's 2 forks. You're gonna make an X here, like this. But then, what are we gonna do with this toothpick? Well, let me tell you, patience. So let me just show you with one. Like this. This fork is gonna be like this. So this toothpick is gonna go inside here like this, where the toothpick is moving like this. So then, right here. So then we're gonna X this out. And remember, this must go through here. When it goes through here, there's the other fork's thing. There's the other fork's point. So then you're gonna go underneath that. And then there you go. Bravo. There, you have done it. Oh, sorry guys, mess it up a little bit, but it's still gonna happen. Take some time. Well, that's what happened here. So again, do the same thing. But remember, again, the top one, the one that's more taller, the fork should not go inside there. Otherwise, you're going to mess up your project. So first, underneath. Underneath. And there you go. Bravo. Woohoo. You look like this when you're done. And AKA, try to do this on your fingertips. Only like this on your fingertips, okay? Just that information. So then, again, the salt shaker with like a narwhal thing. So then, you have to keep this on here. Now, this is the tricky part also. Make sure it is like this. Now, maybe not there. And now, I hope you see that this is clearly not touching the, the salt shaker. So now, I hope you learned how to do this. Okay, guys? Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.